Alright guys, here we are. We've been working on another stage 2 today. I'm gonna try to show you guys the whole process. So here's the bike. That is the before. I'm gonna show you guys the process, and then we'll get a cool after. Alright guys, took a break to charge the camera real fast, but I went ahead and changed out our cam bearing, and I'll show you guys the difference between that in a second. Also, we re-tap these thread holes here for these screws, which are for our tappet blocks. Basically because they come from the factory with a lot of Loctite back there, and it's an Allen. So putting them back in, you either have to use a ball Allen, which is a little sketchy because it can round out on you real easy, or just go step by step with a regular Allen wrench. So we went ahead, cleared those threads out. We're going to clear the threads on the screws too, and start going back together. Alright guys, I just want to take a second here, show you the cam bearing swap that we were talking about earlier. So if you can tell, try to get it lit as best as possible, but there is about half as many of these little needle bearing rollers in the stock cam bearing than the one that we put in. If you guys can see that, it is all rollers, there's no cage. So in this one it's kind of a roller, alternate cage, roller, roller, roller. This one, oops, it's made out of all rollers, which this one is perfectly fine and good for the stock bearing, which is what or stock cam, which I have here. Rides right there in the crankcase. This one does work perfectly fine for the stock cam. I've never actually seen one of these fail on an M8, but if you're doing a bigger cam, more performance stuff, this is what you want. 447 cam. We got the cam compartment all torqued down, timed up, all ready to go. Next step, I'm gonna put in our push rods, adjust them, try to show you guys as much of that as I can, and yeah, keep going along. Alright, we got the cam compartment all there you saw, there was our full video installation of a Stage 2. Just to kind of review, we had a Stage 2 is a 447 cam that we put in there, which is a torque cam, which we do mostly when we do Stage 2s here for Harley cams. It's a little bit more low end. You can feel the torque a lot better. It's a bigger difference from going from stock. You can feel it more. The other horsepower cam is really good, but you got to be really high up in the RPMs to really feel a difference. So yep, there it was. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know if you want to see more like that. Thanks for watching.